Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace a laptop screen. This laptop that we have in front of us is an HP 15Z, and here we go. This laptop is going to be relatively easy to change the screen on. You're going to start by removing the inside bezel. There's a little bit of an adhesive down here at the bottom that you may have to just pull on just a little bit. As I said, this one was pretty easy. Some bezels you'll see like some circular areas. Those will be screw holes, and you'll need to remove the cover to get to the screws, and that'll be holding the bezel on in some cases. So you want to make sure and check for that. Get that off. Then you have what looks to be 4 screws at the corners that you'll need to remove to get the old screen off. Small precision screwdriver will do the trick. You want to go for one with a magnetic head. That'll make keeping up with screws and getting the screws back in much easier in the long run. We'll take these 4 screws off. And you see the laptop screen comes off, and you'll go to the back side of it where you have the connector to the computer itself. So usually there'll be a piece of adhesive that you want to peel away. It's helping to secure the connector. You pull it away. Screen has been removed. Sorry about that. And we have the replacement here. You want to make sure the connector side is down as the original one was. You don't want to do too much forcing here, but you want to make sure that the connection is secure. A lot of times you'll hear a click. I just heard a small one, meaning the connector's in place. And you just replace it in the same position as originally. Again, the magnetic head will help as you prepare to screw the screws back in. Supposed to help anyway. Screw. And let's give it some power and see what we got. Looks good. And the last thing we want to do is get this bezel back on. And actually, you want to take the protective cover off. It keeps the grimy fingerprints off of the screen. Now we can successfully put the bezel back in place. You want to make sure everything is put back in place properly. Go around a couple of times just to see. Everything is secure. Windows is loading, and there you have it. Thank you.